This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today marks the 13th day of this Advent calendar series, and y'all, it is my favorite and my lucky day, day number 13. I was actually born on Thursday, the 13th of September, so that means that my very first birthday and my 13th birthday were on Friday the 13th. I know for some people that may be like, ooh, superstitious. No. It's my lucky day. So I thought because last year there was no full-size product for day 13, but it was really pretty. But this is a full-size product, so I just felt so spoiled for my favorite number and my lucky day, and I just can't wait to see what this is. So first off, it's called Arctic Blast No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm already losing it over that name. Oh, but wait a minute, that said hollow flakes. Oh my goodness, this has tiny little flecks of like glitter that is white, so it looks like there's like a dot, like a polka bunny one they have that is like a glitter top coat that has little pieces of flat white glitter that looks like snow. I can't get over this. This has holographic flakes in it as well. This is so gorgeous. My camera can't cope, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, I cannot wait to do like a full set where we mat her and we draw snowflakes and make it so chill and icy. Oh, this would even work with the cracked ice. I'm losing it. Okay, so far, the Cali lamp and this top coat are by far my favorites. Like honorable mentions are definitely the rubber base coat and the tools and the liner we've gotten and foil glue, because that's not a regular on Madame Glam's website, so having those are staples. But as for the limited edition baddies that you will not be able to get on their website, I would have bought the box just for this. This is insane. Y'all, speaking of this advent calendar is on sale for $99, y'all. That is scored down almost $70. It was like at $169, I believe, or $160 when it first went on sale. So these savings are insane, and there's only a couple units left. So if you order this now, there's still a chance it's going to come before Christmas. So I urge you, if you're loving the goodies so far, and you know there's still many more days to go, so even though you've seen so far these 13 days, that doesn't mean there's not a lot of Advent left to give. And I do apologize for how many times I just said so. I am ridiculously excited, and today blew me away. As we were saying, the math ain't mathin'. I could not find the proper words. I was just losing it. But that's what I love about these videos, is I'm completely authentic, and sometimes that means that I can't find the adequate enough words to describe how stunning this is. But I hope that you can see through the screen like even half the beauty, because when you get this and when you swatch it yourself, you are going to be blown away. The camera could not even cope. I can't wait to make all the magical designs with this. So day 13 was oh so magical, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 14. And by the time we get to 15, y'all, we are going to be able to do a full look, because we are now building up such a gorgeous haul, and we are going to be able to make all of the Advent magic with these. I cannot wait to see you for tomorrow's video. I hope today's video found you oh so well, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.